Do you think yoga blocks are meant only for beginners and injured people? You're wrong. Then I think you should try this class with me, because today I'm going to do a full class by using the yoga blocks, and let's see how much fun we can do with yoga blocks. Alright everyone, grab 2 foam yoga blocks and let's get started. Okay? Take 1 block underneath your left palm and 1 block underneath your right knee. Okay, it's like a tabletop. Ground your palm, so your left knee might not be in touch with the mat because of using the blocks. Your left knee is up. Okay, extend your left leg while inhaling and extend your right hand forward. I'm doing mirroring, so don't get confused. While exhaling, bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Inhale, extend, spinal extension. While exhaling, bring your elbow to your knee, spinal flexion. You can round your spine, drop your head down also. Inhale, extend, lift your head up, look forward. Exhale, flexion. Inhale, extension. Exhale, flexion. Last one. Inhale, extension. Exhale, flexion. The fun comes here. If you're comfortable, float your right toe away from the mat. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Again, extend your right hand and left leg. See if you can balance. Engage your core. Draw your lower abdomen in. Breathe for 3, 2, 1. Lower your right leg down. Bring that left leg forward between the block and your left hand. Extend your left knee. Sink your hip down. Push your hip back. Feel that hamstring stretch. Take your right hand. Grab your outer edge of the left foot. If you're comfortable, use your both the hands also. Take a left hand inside of your left sole. Flex your elbow. Lift your sternum and go a little more deeper into hamstring stretch. Breathe for 3, 2, and 1. Now release your hand. Now I want you to step your right toe towards your left side of the mat. Take your both the hands inside and catch your waist. Just chuck once, back of the left heel and your block, front of the right block in one straight line. Okay, gently squeeze your glutes, posterior tilt in the pelvis. Inhale deeply. While exhaling, sink your hip towards your left side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, sink your hip. If you want a little more intense, use your hands. Inhale, rise your hands. And while exhaling, sink your hip down. Continue. Inhale, reach your hands. And exhale, sink. 2 more. Inhale, reach your hands. And exhale, sink. 1 more. Inhale, reach your hands. Exhale, sink your hip. Option 1, place your left forearm on your left thigh. Reach your right hand. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Press the bell icon. And please comment below and let me know how this video goes for you. Don't shrug your shoulders, push your shoulder away from the ears. If you're comfortable, lower your left fingertips down with support of your elbow or triceps. Open up your torso, take your right hand all the way back and breathe. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale, bring your hands all the way front. From here, walk your hands towards the back side of your mat. Bring your right knee towards your buttocks. Float your left leg. Spinal extension. Exhale, spinal flexion. Knee to your forehead. Inhale, extension. Exhale, flexion. Inhale, extension. You can stay here or you can bring your arch of the right foot on your left thigh. While exhaling, flex your elbow. Lower your torso, chin or chest down. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lower. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to center. Now let's have some fun. Extend your right hand forward and try to balance. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. It's a lot of challenging and fun. From here, switch your legs. Bring it facing to the other side. Take the block underneath your right hand and block underneath your left knee. Same idea on the other side. Extend your left hand and right leg. In the beginning, keep your left toe on the mat. Exhale, elbow to your knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex and stay. Now float your left toe off the mat and see if you can balance. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, extend and balance again. 3, 2, 1. Lower your left hand down, step your right leg forward. A little bit long step, flex your ankle, dorsiflexion, toes pointing towards your knee, elongate your spine. Take a left hand, take it across your right foot and hold your outer edge of the right foot. If you're comfortable, use your other hand, inner edge of the right foot, flex your elbow, lift your sternum, go into deep forward bend. 1, 2, and 3. Release your hands, inhale, flex your right knee, step your left toe towards the right side of your mat, take both the hands inside. Now make sure your back of the right heel and your left inner side of the left knee in one straight line. Okay, catch your waist, inhale deeply, posterior tilt in the pelvis, tuck the tailbone under, while exhaling sink your hip towards your right side. If you want, you can use your hands, inhale, reach your hands, and exhale, sink. Inhale, reach your hands, and exhale, sink. Last one, inhale, reach your hands, exhale, sink your hip down and stay. Option 1, place your right forearm on your right thigh, reach your left hand over. Option 2, keep your fingertips and extend your left hand, push your left shoulder back. Deep breath, 1, 2, breath is the one which connects your body and your mind. And 3, exhale, lower both the hands, walk your hands facing to the back side or the front side where we started the practice. Ground your palm, left heels to the buttocks. Now from here, float your right leg, inhale, spinal extension, lift your head up. Exhale, spinal flexion, knee to your forehead or knee to your chest. Inhale, extension, and exhale, flexion. Inhale, extension. Exhale, flexion. Last one, inhale, extension, stay here, connect your left sole towards your top of the right thigh. While exhaling, flex your elbow, lower your chest and chin down, or you can just lower your forehead down. Inhale, up, extend your elbow, feel that external rotation in the shoulders. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, come back up. Again, same idea. See if you can truly engage your core. Float your right hand or left hand, whichever hand you feel comfortable to. For now, I'm going to try with the left hand and balance. 1, 2, and 3. Lower your left hand down. Release your legs slowly. Come into child's pose. When you're doing child's pose, again, take the block. Place your both the hands on the top of the block. Walk your knees. Try to bring your chest down, but lift your head up. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release the block. Come into child's pose. Rest your head down. One deep inhale and completely exhale through your mouth. Alright, now from here, come into downward facing dog. Bring your 2 blocks in the front. Slowly walk your legs one by one and bring your feet between the block. Inhale, head up. You can increase the height of the block to 3rd height. Exhale, come into forward fold. Next inhale, come all the way up. Hold one block between your palm. Squeeze the block between your hands. Now from there, exhale, lean towards your left side. From here, turn your torso facing down. Inhale, turn your torso facing forward, lift your torso, come back all the way up. Exhale, lean towards your right side. Again, turn your torso facing down. Inhale, come back to center, reach your hands all the way up. While exhaling, lean forward all the way from the hip. Now take the block underneath your toes, not the toes, the mounts of your toes. Try not to touch your toes to the block. If you're not getting balance, use another block. Inhale like how you do Ardha Uttanasana, half way, lift your torso and stay. Feel your hamstring, feel your calf muscle. You can lower your torso, flex your elbows to feel that little more deeper stretch. Breathe here for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lift your torso, keep the block aside. Now release your legs slowly with support of your hands. Again, hold the block between your palms, squeeze the block, don't hold, just squeeze the block between your palm. Now step your right leg back, long step, lower your right knee down, sink your head down, come into Anjaneyasana, reach your hands all the way up. Now the fun comes here. While exhaling, extend your left knee, dorsiflexion at your left ankle, take your right hand, take it through, pass the block towards your left hand and come back into Anjaneyasana. We'll repeat a few more rounds. Now switch from the left hand, pass it towards your right, keep extension in the spine, inhale up, exhale, pass, inhale up, exhale, pass, inhale up. Now stay here, hold the block between your both hands, exhale, lean towards your left side and breathe. Feel that right deep hip flexor. 1, turn your torso slightly facing forward or maybe upwards. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, bring your torso to the center. Exhale, extend your left knee. Take the block towards your feet. You can just again touch the mounts of the feet, elongate your spine, lean forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, just press your left toe so you can ground the block. Place your feet on the block. It's a little more intense on the hip flexor. I know, I'm already sweating now. I know you are also if you're doing with me. Use the block if you want to on the other hand. Curl your right toe, lift your right knee up. Now, exhale, lower your right knee down. Switch the block towards your right hand. Inhale, reach your left hand, sink your hip, look backwards. Exhale, extend your left knee, come into forward fold. Inhale, sink your hip down, lean back. Exhale, extend. One more, inhale back. Exhale, extend. Now from here, inhale, flex your left knee. See if you can bend your right knee, bring your heels to the buttocks, hold your ankle or hold your toes. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Release your hands. Now step your right leg one step forward. Come into pyramid pose. Again, walk your hands other way around. Use the block or without using the block if you want a little more intense. 1, 2, 3. Turn your right toe out. Take the blocks at the center. Turn your left toe pointing forward. Now both the feet are parallel to each other. Okay, that's very important. Sometimes what happens, our right leg comes in the front and left leg will be back. So I want you to adjust your feet parallel to each other, right? Now from here, ground your right hand on the block. Reach your left hand all the way up. Exhale, lower your left hand on the block. Reach your right hand all the way up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, right hand up. Now this time, exhale, lower, reach your left hand up. While exhaling, flex your right knee, sink your hip towards your left side, reach your left hand. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, take your left hand through. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, through. Inhale, reach up. Next exhale, lower your left hand down. Turn around facing to the back side of your mat. Rise your left heel, bend your left knee. Now again, take the block support at the beginning. Who are comfortable, hold the block again, squeeze between your hands, lift your torso, come all the way up. Engage your left quadriceps. Inhale, extend your both knee. And exhale, feel your left quadriceps. Say hi to your quads now. Inhale, extend. And exhale, flex. Almost there. Inhale, extend. And exhale, flex. Last one. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex. Halfway lean forward, flat back. Squeeze the block, don't hold. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Lower the block, float your left leg. Now, option 1, keep your right knee soft. Bring your hands to the heart center, holding the block. Option 2, extend your right knee, extend your hands over your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come all the way up. Bring your left knee towards your heart center. And exhale, release. So I want everyone to try the same thing by using your other leg. So we have tried with the right leg, now try the same sequence with the left leg. Alright, so I hope you all have understood about how much fun, intensity and interesting we can do along with the block. Alright, so next class or the next video I'm going to do a very gentle practice which everybody can do, which is called as a restorative practice with the blocks. So these two goes very nicely together. Once you practice this intense class, right after that if you practice restorative, that completes your whole practice. Alright, so I'll see you next week everyone. Until then, stay tuned and thank you so much for your time for watching this video. Namaste.